Hello, Mr. Barnes. I've been sent by the United Nations to evaluate you. Do you mind if I sit? Your first name is James? I'm not here to judge you. I just want to ask you a few questions. Do you know where you are, James? I can't help you if you don't talk to me, James.
My name is Bucky.
Tell me, Bucky. You've seen a great deal, haven't you?
I don't want to talk about it.
You feel that if you open your mouth, the horrors might never stop. Don't worry. We only have to talk about one.
What the hell is this?
Why don't we discuss your home? Not Romania. Certainly not Brooklyn, no. I mean, your real home.
Желание. Ржавой.
Stop.
12.
Stop.
Разведь. Jedź. Nie wiedź. Dobre kacety. Возвращение на родину. Один. Грузовый вагон.
Солдат.
Я готов отвечать.
Mission report. December 16, 1991.